Midweek action laphana bafethu kwi-Betway Premiership. Eyi bafethu, ayikushubile. Bafethu uyazi ngaphika ukuthi bafethu we are only ku-match day 4 bafethu ngendlela esekushube ngayo laphana at the top. So yabona bafethu kunamathimu awu-4 ano-7 points and njengamanje bafethu akekho umuntu who's not in action. Njengoba sazi bafethu ukuthi sisaphumule kancane kwi-MTN sizophinde sibuyele futhi nge-weekend. Siyabona-ke bafethu laphana ukuthi kunamagemu ashube kakhulu bafethu akhona kuyona bafethu le match day yona ephakathi neviki with i-Orlando Pirates versus isikhukhune namhlanje. Abantu abaningi-ke bafethu nabo bayazibuza bayaziphendula ukuthi ngazi le game njengoba sebezodlala igame esibili kuzokwenzakalani ngoba futhi basazodlala ngomgqibelo. But leya game bafethu ishube kakhulu leya game bafethu ishube kakhulu igame nje ezobe emnandi kakhulu bafethu elapha e-Orlando Amstel Arena. Base kuthi emva kwalokho bafethu ngaso same time kahle kahle mase ngithi nami bafethu emva kwalokho sengiqamba amanga nje same time bafethu ngale kuzobe kudlala iKruger United versus iDurban City bafethu le eMbombela Stadium which is a home game for iKruger United. Then sibone iMarumo Gallants playing bafethu iTS Galaxy. Kushubile bafethu nakuleyo game kushubile. iMarumo Gallants nayo njengamanje bafethu isashayiwe bafethu emagemini kuyashawa nje neMamelodi Sundowns bafethu kabuhlungwana nayo futhi iTS Galaxy kuyayishaya bafethu. So njengamanje ngicabanga ukuthi bafethu iyazishape ileague, abantu abazoba mid table nabantu abazoba semsileni nabantu abazocompete bazoqala bafethu babonakale. But njengoba kuyi home game yeMarumo leyana bafethu I feel like mhlawumbe iMarumo bafethu uMohafe angakwazi ukuthi ayiwine leya game. Nalapha kwiKruger versus iDurban City I'm expecting iDurban City bafethu ukuthi iwine leya game eKruger. Kruger ayikakahlangani kahle as much as sekhaya. Laphana kwi-Orlando Pirates nesikhukhune bafethu kusangenzeka noma yini. But one thing ongayigaranta ngaleya game bafethu ukuthi njengoba ise-Orlando amagoli uzongena over 2.5 bafethu. Then isiwelele laphana bafethu neChippa United lapha eToyota Stadium. Enye-ke bafethu yamagemu engilindele ukuthi siwelele siyiwine. Siyazi ukuthi siwelele bafethu sifike saluza kulama game sifike sawadlala la eThekwini, but-ke basanawo ama-quality players bafethu laba besiwelele and I'm sure ukuthi ngampela kuningi bafethu umonakalo abasazowenza nabo kule season because siyambona naye bafethu ukuthi uzimisele laphana bafethu ucoach waso bafethu isiwelele as much as benamagame amanyathe kuba-tight because emhlathuze vele bafethu akubuya then baphinde beze la eKings Park futhi baphinde futhi kwajezwa because namaZulu bafethu nabo they are playing a different type of football. Then on Wednesday bafethu kusasa sizobona laphana iMamelodi Sundowns idlala namaZulu ekuyigame futhi bafethu liyaneshube kakhulu because amaZulu siyabazi bafethu ongwenya ukuthi njengamanje bayaperform and the Sundowns is just coming back from i-loss bafethu against i-Golden Arrows. So atazwane laphana will have a point to prove, but-ke ngoba i-Sundowns bafethu isekhaya ang-expectile ukuthi amaZulu igame leyana bafethu angayiwina kalula. The best engenzeka laphana ngicabanga mhlambe nabo bangabuya ne-draw. Then-ke bafethu base kuzoba i-Richards Bay versus i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana bafethu ePrincess Magogo. Siyibonile-ke le game bafethu because le game yayishejulwe after kuvala umhlathuze yayigame engazuthi bafethu izoya eMabhida, but since iMabhida renovatwa kwangathi izoya eKings Park, but-ke eKings Park ama-Sharks bafethu ayalidinga i-ground. Ngicabanga ukuthi le game iyona yenza ukuthi i-Richards Bay izisuse nalaphana ithathise lapha kwamashu bafethu esinqawunqaweni, but-ke i-ground lasePrincess Magogo mhlawumbe nayo lingayinika i-Richards Bay advantage because nalelinye lama-ground bafethu elincane and lama team o-Richards Bay ngampela yabo mozo wathola i-ground encane ungakwazi ukulivula i-ground baba dangerous kakhulu bafethu. Leya game nje I'm expecting ukuthi iqhwize umentshisi, but nayo kwi-Kaizer Chiefs iyaperforma njengamanje with ama-new players bafethu doing so good ngale ndlela enza ngayo engingayinika nayo iKaizer Chiefs leya game because mangingathiwa mhlawumbe isemhlathuze bese ngasithi mhlawumbe kushube kakhulu, but laphana njengamanje they are picking up bafethu, they are picking up iKaizer Chiefs, so ngingayiwinika leya game. Then iGolden Arrows bafethu neStellenbosch laphana eKingswell ithini enye futhi yamagame bafethu eshubile leyana and ngenzeka noma yini. Problem ye-Arrows ukuthi ayiconcede but nayo bafethu ayikorakora, yabona uma ikora 1 and futhi ingakora. Leya game ngiyayibona mina ingaphela ngedraw because now uGavin Hunt bafethu has a lot of quality and iGolden Arrows engeke bafethu sisiswayo yabona isisu nje basuyahlehla oshezi bafethu i-creativity abanamo abeya phambili bayawakhoza ama-problems. But-ke kule game bafethu I'm expecting ama-goal njengoba simbonile ukuthi nanokhipha lo bengaconcede kakhulu waye-Golden Arrows bafethu usalimele. Then base siya lapha ePeter Mokaba bafethu, i-old Peter Mokaba elela ground bafethu le bakudlaleki kulona. Ngayipolokwane City naye izobe hoste iMilford. Ekuyigame engicabanga ukuthi bafethu izobe ishube kakhulu lena. Siyibonile ukuthi iMilford as much as ko umakoti bafethu bakwi-PSL, but ngeke indlela abazimisele ngayo bafethu nangendlela aba-comfortable ngayo ngokuba kwi-PSL ikwenye ilevel bafethu abangayisurprise ngempela iPolokwane City laphana kuleya game. iPolokwane siyibonile ke ishawa oMamelodi Sundowns nje khona nje ngo-3-2 even ngisho extra time bafethu bayi-team nabo edlala kahle kakhulu, but since kwahamba uMohefe nama ngakababoni bafethu ukuthi yini kahlahla abayibuildayo kwamanje. So leya game nayo ngi-expectile ukuthi bafethu ingaphela nge-draw because iMilford ngempela bafethu njengamanje izoqhuma abantu lana kwi-PSL. Wena-ke bafethu uma ubheka le match week bafethu ubona zingaba kanjani izinto bafethu ngoba kushubile bafethu kushubile, but-ke bafethu siyathanda thina lapho ngoba sabathandi bebhola phela thina. Uma kudlala ibhola bafethu we are always the happiest, hlezi sigxuma kanje yabo uma kudlala ibhola sigxuma kanje. So-ke nje bafethu kuzoba mnandi kakhulu. Wena-ke eyakhe i-team la uyibona izokwenza kanjani and uma wayiphanta ungawafaka kanjani nawe?